Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So before we get into the mod for today's video, I want to let you guys know I had to remove the 19-inch wheels that I recently put on this car. And the reason I did that was because my wife drove the car and she realized she didn't really like the way it drove with those wheels, mainly because the low profile tire, the car drove just really rough, like it was really harsh. And the roads out here, they're really bumpy and there's a lot of cracks and whatnot. It just isn't comfortable for her. And at the end of the day, I want to make sure that she's happy. Again, happy wife, happy life. So I did decide to put the 18-inch AMG stock wheels back on. But before I did that, I wanted to enhance the look of the stock wheels, so I changed out the blue center caps for some nice black center caps. And also I had to remove the caliper covers because the stock wheels just don't look good with caliper covers. I'm still trying to figure out what 18-inch wheels I want to put on the car and what color I want to get, and that will determine if I want to put the carbon fiber or the white caliper covers back on. So stay tuned on that. But for today's video, I want to mod the side of the car. I've already done a lot to the front of the car and a lot to the back of the car, but nothing on the side. So there's a lot I can do to the side of the car. I can get graphics, I can get a side skirt extension. I mean, I'm gonna do that, but it's gonna be in future videos, but I wanted to do something a little more simple. And what it looks like a lot of people are doing is they're blacking out that little insert area on the bottom of the side skirt. And to be honest, just blacking that out, it really enhances the look of the car. And it looks like there's a few ways that I can do this. One, I could tape everything off and paint it, but I don't want to do that because that's permanent. Two, I can plasti dip the area. The only thing with that is because of the way it's shaped, I don't think I can get a really nice clean line around that insert area. Three, I can vinyl wrap the area gloss black. That's not permanent and it still looks good, but the only thing is it's kind of hard to do for that insert the way it's shaped. And also at the same time, there's some little nicks and cuts on the side insert of this car that'll probably show through on the vinyl wrap. And the last option is to buy an actual insert to put on top. There's a bunch of carbon fiber ones out there, but they're very expensive. They're like $250, $300. I've seen some for $400, which to be honest, it's not really worth it for that little piece. And of course, you guys know with me, I always find a solution. So what I did was I searched around and I found some chrome inserts for under $100 that I'm gonna vinyl wrap gloss black, and then I'm gonna stick them on the car. Let me show you the part and then I'll show you the install. So here are the trim pieces that I got online. Unfortunately, they're split down the middle, but when I go to install these, you won't see that. They're just chrome aluminum pieces with double-sided tape. So I'm gonna use some gloss black vinyl and I'm gonna wrap all of these so they look nice and gloss black before I install them on the car. So here's one of the trim pieces fully wrapped. It looks really good. But now I got 3 more to go. The first step, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly clean the side skirt. Now I'm going to remove only half of the red film down the trim piece. So this way I can mount it to the car and I can rearrange it just in case it doesn't line up properly. And then once it's fully lined, I'll pull the rest of the red film and I'll apply pressure to both of the trim pieces. Well, there you have it, another really cool mod. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.